I am on the bus.
We are on the bus! Yay!
Now tell me, I am work.
At?
Excellent. I am at work.
Granny is at work!
I am the way. What do we say?
On the way?
Yes, I am on the way.
We are on the way, Granny!
I am at school.
I love being at school!
I am home. Which one?
At home!
Wonderful. I am at home.
Yay! We are at home!
I am traffic. Think slowly.
In traffic? Perfect!
I am in traffic.
We are in traffic!
I am the office.
Is it in?
Yes, dear. I am in the office.
Granny is in the office! I am the party. What is the word? At the party?
Correct. I am at the party. Woohoo! I am class.
Shh, guess. I am in class. We are in class.